Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's tip is outsourcing clients. You can really outsource any type of client, either big or small, and still take a commission for that job by simply sending that work to other designer friends, for example, or by simply giving that to your partners or to people who you really trust. And that's the key here, right here, trust, especially if you're giving them the work with the client you did work with before, because that's really a key right here. You want to outsource your clients to the designers you can trust and that you can deliver that work, and by giving them that work you are entitled entirely to take money for that work. So for example, if you have a, let's say, $5,000 website design project and you want to outsource it to other designers, perhaps you can take 1,000 or 500 or something like that, and just keep the communication between you as a designer, your designer friend and your client, just to make sure that everything runs smoothly. You can also outsource your clients completely to other designers and skip the communication part and just take the money for the recommendation of that client to your designer friend. You can reach out to your designer friend and tell them, listen, I have this client, are you interested? You are, that's great, but I want to take a commission because I'm recommending this client to you. If they agree with that, that's fine. If they not, then you can reach out to other designer friends, or you can simply take the job, or you can simply decline the client offer and simply move on with your life without that particular client. But outsourcing clients to other designers is going to really bring you great benefit, because you're not going to enjoy all of these different projects with all of these different clients, especially when you get some work under your belt and when you get some experience under your belt. You're going to be well educated to understand which sort of projects you really enjoyed and which sort of projects you really are not. Therefore, you can simply outsource those clients to your designer friends and simply take the commission for the service basically that you're providing to your clients and your designer friends. But make sure to always be open with your designer friends, just to tell them how things are and the amount of money that you are willing to take, because you are referring this client to them. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.